Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Another episode, and today the trailer, my own trailer that moves all the cars all the time, I'm going to give it a little bit of TLC. So I am bringing it to a guy. He's going to put all new lights in it, new brakes, whatever it needs. It does get a lot of use, and especially when we're travelling all around Ireland collecting cars and drifting and everything. So I need to put the trailer on the Jeep, and looking forward to getting the trailer done. Like to keep the trailer right, and looking forward to seeing the outcome of it. Abby's car is sitting there. We haven't done anything with it since our last video. So once I drop off this trailer, I think we're going to go and meet up with Keelan, and he is starting work on his E36. So there's a lot of projects going on. You've got Abby's E46, you've got Keelan's E36, my own E46 M3. That's taking a back seat. It's in the shed. It's ready to go. So we don't really have too much to do with that. There may be a couple of things that might change, but so for today, Abby's car takes a back seat, and the E46 M3 takes a back seat, and the trailer goes to get refurbished. So let's do it. Yeah, so this trailer got a lot of work. We have some lights working on it and other lights that are not working on it. And lens is broke, tail lights cracked, so it's had a hard life. I bought a second hand, so it does need some tidying. There's covers missing off the lights, spare tires mush, so just gonna get this trailer totally refurbished and get it in tip-top shape, so at least when we are on the move we know that the trailer is 100% and the brakes is working and everything in it. So let's go and get it dropped off for its makeover. Just dropped off the trailer to Joe Ward in Longford. So he's going to fully recondition my trailer and do the brakes, do the lights, do everything. So I'm really looking forward to the outcome of that. It will be really nice to have a trailer just perfect, especially when we're traveling a lot. So if anybody is looking for your trailer, especially now that there's not much going on, if you need new lights in your trailer, brakes or anything like that, definitely get in contact with Joe Ward. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to get in contact with him to get your trailer done. So looking forward to the outcome of that. Not sure when it will be back, but I'm sure it will be pretty soon. So that is the trailer sorted for today. Back to business, back in the shed with Keelan, and it's E36 day, and the E36 going on a diet, isn't it?
It is.
And a big diet. We've seen James Dean, we're watching James Dean, and the weight loss that he took out of his S14 is absolutely unbelievable. So let's try and achieve something close to that, Keelan. What do you think?
Yeah. Cool.
So we need to take all this out of it, yeah? Yeah. And from the battery leaking as well, look at it all. Great stuff. So get the floor out of it, completely out of it. Get your back bumper off it, and just strip all this out. And maybe then we might just cut the chassis legs here and weld on a plate onto it, and then we can make our bash bar out to our back bumper then. And that is basically the back of the car done then. Yeah. Relocate the battery, probably do the same as when Abby's car. Put the battery there, make up a frame for it. We need to put a firewall in, and you didn't get pipes for your bash bars, right? No?
No, I couldn't. They're all closed.
All closed, so we will have to go again. But
yeah,
let's put this on serious weight loss now. So you want to know what that is, Abby?
Yeah.
I think it is.
Something to do with the wheels, isn't it?
It's camber adjustment. So
Extra lock.
if you loosen off these, then it will put your wheel sort of, you can put your wheel, tilt your wheels in like this, and you can tilt your wheels out like that.
Yeah.
So the more you put more camber in, when you're on full lock and drifting, then it will actually leave your wheel straight on the ground, you know, when you're at full lock.
Yeah.
So this is a job for maybe Nolly's Tyre Centre or something like that, to get it all properly set up. And if anybody knows good setups for E36s, do let us know as well. So now you know what that is, yeah?
Yeah, I do.
Right, okay. Let's go and take the boot lid off now. So we took the bonnet off. The bonnet has loads of the nice stuff in it. So hopefully, if anybody has a bonnet for an E36 coupe, maybe, has a clean bonnet, or maybe if money does allow, Keelan, you might go with a fiberglass.
Yeah.
But that's, need to get the car stripped down, get the weight loss on as much as we can. The ECU as well, we have the ECU out. We are sending that to Pavilius, Pavilius in Dublin. Pavilius can, he's going to raise the rev limiter in it, and he's going to delete ABS and stuff like that. So really good service Pavilius has. He knows absolutely everything about BMW's wealth of experience, and he's very, very good with ECUs. So we're going to send that up to him. I think it's about 120 euros, and he can do whatever you want with your ECU. So that's first things first, is get that to Pavilius and get that sorted. And then we can continue on working on the car. It's on the lift now, and it is going to be on the lift for another while. So we'll clip to a little bit of montage of some of the work that we're doing. Don't need it. So we're taking off these rams here. Now you see this clip here? You get the screwdriver just in behind that and flick that out. Yeah, twist your screwdriver. Okay, now if you pull the ram out that way. That's it. I'll do the same there. So this is completely agricultural, isn't it, Keelan?
It is.
And it doesn't suit you either to have it this way. No.
Not strong enough to pull it.
Keelan is just not strong enough to pull it, so it does take a lot to it's basically using the old handbrake and just modifying it. But look, you do have a 625 cylinder on it, so if we do get another hydro handle, we will put it up to the same place where Abby had it and get it up here nice and high for you, and it will not take much to pull it then. But we need to redo all this stuff, and you are currently taking all these unwanted wires out here, yeah?
Yep.
So we strip all the wires out of it. I think we just need to be careful and make sure that we don't touch the fuel pump wires, but all this stuff going to the back, don't need it. I think we just need to find the brake light wire, and then we can join into that, and we'll run new wires back down there
And put a brake light on it.
and have it all nice and tidy. You have speed sensors and stuff going down to the diff. I don't know, do you want a speed sensor?
Dunno.
I actually didn't have it in my old car, but look, maybe it is nice to have it, you know.
Yeah.
Even if we are doing onboard videos or something, you'll be able to see what speed you're entering at and stuff. So might leave that for now. Tidy it up a bit. Okay. I think if you can, so can you get polycarbonate windows, two front E36 coupe polycarbonate windows. Somebody might be able to help us in the comments.
Yeah.
But I think all this out, this window's not working anyway.
No.
So it's, yeah. So I think we need to just gut all this and cut it all out of it and get all the weight out of that door, and the same with the other door as well. A lot of work, Keelan.
Yeah, should we go do another door?
Yeah. So, good job we are cutting this out because there is lots of rust in it, but we are completely stripping this car out. Keelan is working inside. Keelan is currently trying to take the door off on the lift, which is not...
No, it's not easy. Wouldn't recommend it anyways.
Wouldn't recommend. So Keelan is working on that, and I am currently taking the front off the car. We're going to strip it right back, and this fan and stuff like that we might get. Just put all new wiring in it. This is cracked, this needs to come off. We're just going to strip the whole front of it down. Easier to get to the engine and everything. So it is a complete strip down, and I don't know yet, haven't talked to Keelan, but I think when we are stripping back this far, I think we could go as far as start prepping for paint. Do all the work to the car, do all the heavy work to the car, and then basically when the car is ready to go back together, then just get it painted. So that is the plan. We're going to work away here for another while. Hopefully we've got enough footage for this video, and we will update you on the progress we are making over the next couple of weeks. I think we need to give Abby's car a little bit of attention next. So between the two cars, we have a lot of projects going on. So we're going to get stuck into this. So a lot of projects going on, and we are currently giving this thing weight loss and a full transformation. Keelan has big plans for it. So we have a lot of work to do, whole new colour change, everything. So we've an exciting few weeks ahead. So make sure and like this, comment, see how we're getting on with this, and subscribe as well, and hit the notification bell so you get a notification then every time we put up a video of some more E36, E46 projects, stuff like that. Maybe some drifting, and we'll see you all soon. Extra little bonus to the end of the video, funny little story. Keelan got this car, we've seen the catalytic converter was still in it, we took the code, we thought we'd get loads of money for it, and of course somebody opened it like a tin of beans, took all the goods out of it, so now we have just an empty box. So Keelan was very excited because he was getting a lot of money for this, but unfortunately all the goods are gone. Damn it.